Hello everybody, tornado sirens are going off. Kind of creepy, I'm sorry. It is Tuesday at 10 o'clock. There is one up there on the hill, up there, so that's why it's kind of loud. Yo! There are tornado sirens all over my city. If you kind of minus that one over there, you can kind of hear the other ones around town. So tornado sirens are sounding. This is like my first time of getting tornado sirens on camera. Yo, they just don't stop. Sounds like it's getting louder and louder. How is this possible? I wish our tornado sirens were like a whale instead of woop, woop. Oh, they stopped! Thanks for watching. Peace out.